Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. Today we are going to be unstuffing my cash envelopes as well as restuffing my cash envelopes for May. Welcome to May. We made it through April. It's been rough, everybody. We know groceries is high, gas is high, our pressure is high, but we are going to make it through, y'all. We are going to make it through. I'm doing a pantry challenge where we're trying to use at least 1 to 2 things out of our pantry for meal preps for the week or whenever you can, baby. If you're a boss, do it with every single meal. Join me on the pantry challenge. I would love to see what you guys are coming up with. It might give me an idea. As far as gas goes, baby, I just stay my butt at home. Okay? For the most part, where I don't have to drive, I'm not going. But I am single and I don't have kids to pick up and drop off, so I know it's a different situation. Let us get into our VGL. First, let's see what money we have left. Surprisingly, I have gas money left. I am about a half a tank in my gas, but I was like, we in May now. That should be May money. That gets that. We're supposed to have, that ain't right. That ain't right. Obviously, this is why I don't even bother. Why do I even keep that in there? I'm not keeping up. So 10, 20, 25, 30. I have $30 left. Amazing. And I feel like that's just because I had jury duty that week. And I think that was a little closer than my job. Move that back in case there are any ones. Next, we have food. It shouldn't have no money in here because I was over budget in food. I just kept swiping my card because that's what they took at the jury place, even though lunch was only $6 per day. After jury duty, I was tired and so I was eating out. It was a mess. I'm so ready for mellow May and just chill out. So for food, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 left. And entertainment, we got some money. I'm going to say, where the money at? We did use some money, so we only have 20, not only, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So we have 140 left in here. So I'm going to update this because I did use some of it on like this place I went to over the weekend. They were having like a $1 sale. So 186 minus 140. So I used $46. That makes sense. $46. And we have 140 left. And that was a withdrawal. I believe that was on 5/2. I want to say. Whatever day Saturday was. Don't ask me. I don't remember. Okay, and then gifts. Oh, may the 4th be with you. Well, I'm doing this on the 4th. So, you may see this tomorrow. Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys are having Taco Tuesday because it just makes sense. Gifts. Actually, has money left. Okay, we got $2 left in gifts. Come on. All right, and that miscellaneous, we moved back any money that needed to go back to the bank. That's usually what I'm using that for. And we're done with the unstuffing. So let's see how much we actually have left total with this unstuffing. Shocked we have anything, okay? So we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay. All right, we got $41. I'm going to write that down on my handy dandy notebook. $41. Left. Okay, and this is for, I wrote roll and save, but I'm just saying it's rollover and what we're going to use to save in our most basic savings challenge. So I'm going to put that to the back right here. And now we're going to go to what? Where the money resides, where the money resides. Wait.
What the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Our money is residing down here in the back. Put that receipt back there. I should have $680. This is my little cheat sheet. And we're going to take a little minute. We're going to fast forward through me getting these bills together because this is unacceptable. All right, let's count her up. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 680, like I said. And you guys will notice there's a lot of cash on the table. So we did a little bit more for each because this is a longer month. Also, I did most of my categories in cash. Usually I leave groceries, self-care, online, and giving sometimes, but this time I'm just leaving all of it. Whether that means I may need to deposit some money back because I charged something like giving on a card, which I'm going to try not to, but I think I might have to actually because I'm going to support a small business and I know I'm going to do that online. So there might be some bring the money back to the bank moments this month, but because I spent so much money overspending on food last month,
What was the reason? What was the reason?
I just think I need to give my credit card a break. I'm actually going to be charging my groceries to my Saver One card just to give my Quicksilver card a break. The Quicksilver will still have all of my bills on it, but it shouldn't have anything else, or maybe it'll also have anything I use in my sinking funds, but it shouldn't have nothing else on it because yeah, that's just how I feel. I just go with the feelings. Let's go ahead and restuff our cash envelopes. So gas was 100, getting 120. I didn't really up it. I probably should have though. 20, 40, 60, 81. I'm gonna take these two 10s from my little money over here and give it a 20 because I'd like to give just $30 sometimes instead of the full 40. So this should be 120. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20. Gas is getting 120. Perfect. Food is getting 80. 20, 40, how? 60, 80. I don't understand how these are all still messed up. 20, 40, 60, 80. $80 is going to food. It's a little bit more, just $20 more than we normally get. I'm going to try not to do this too much, but I'm being realistic. Entertainment fun is getting 60. So 20, 40, 60. I don't know why I was going to keep counting this. This one I do like to keep track of. The rest, not so much. Like, it doesn't even make no sense, girl. It is what it is. It is what it is. Deposit, and today is 5/4. Like I said, may the fourth be with you. Fourth be with you. And that's 140. Was that 200? 140 plus 60. $200. We done hit $200. That's big money to me, y'all. We having fun this year. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. Perfect. I've been trying. Now, I'd spent this on something completely different. It was more like a business thing, but it was fun for me at the time. But I do want to keep focusing on this being in here for like activities with friends, brunch, going out to eat, things like that. So I'm ready to build it back up because summer is coming. All right, now gifts, which is giving, getting 80. Okay, gifts is getting big money. I wonder if I have enough. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are nice ones. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put a 20 back here with our extra money because I like for giving to have a little bit of tiny money because I don't always want to give a 20. That's what I'm saying. 20, 40, 60, $80. Doll hairs. 20, 40, 60, 65. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 80. I don't know why this 5 is at the back. But yeah, so this gets $80. And then miscellaneous is going to be self-care today because we don't have a self-care envelope right now, and it's going to be self-care today. So self-care is getting 140 because I need a manicure, a pedicure, all the things. Okay. Feet is crusty. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 20, 40. Now, I haven't got my feet done in months. Like, no, I haven't got my feet done in like a month and a half. It's not looking good. Literally. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. $140 to self-care. 240 is going to groceries, which I'll pop up on the screen. It's in my month ahead. I wish I'd given it like 300 because groceries, but we'll see what happens with that. But 240 for the month. And then last but not least, you'll see, girl, there's money left over there. Yes, ma'am. Because we have an other category. And the other category is to cover that money that we rolled over at the end of April. And I said I was just going to cash flow Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And so that's that $200. Normally I put this extra $200 in miscellaneous, but since we're using miscellaneous for self-care, this time I'm just going to keep my extra $200, which is going for other stuff, in here. And that'll probably end up going back to the bank as well, because I feel as though I'm going to be purchasing some things online. So we might actually do a different video where we go over some of the expenses that I spent and I'm putting it back in the bank, which I don't usually do. It's not my vibe, but we're going to do that this month probably. So that's everything that's been cash stuff. Now we're going to move on to the most basic box ever and see what we're working with. So we're on section 5. We finished section 1 through 4 already, and section 5 is supposed to save $50. We don't have 50, but we have 41. I wrote it, and it's easy to count now. 20, 41. We have a 20, and we have 15, and 5 is another 20. So what I'll do is I'll stuff the 40, and I'll save the dollar. Y'all know I just stick it in here in the back, because I don't like to fold my money, but that's gonna have to wait. So $20, $40. Let's color those in. I'm just gonna use the blue for now. 20, 35, 40. Okay, we can't mark off this as done yet, but we only need 10 more dollars, and I'm sure we'll be able to save that. Well, let's pray we can save that. And there goes our 40. So let's update our tracker. On 5/4, we have a deposit or saved $40, and that's $140. So we should have $140. This challenge saves $550. So we're getting there, slowly but steady. Slow and steady. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. 140 like I thought. I'm so excited. I think, I believe I said I was going to use this for around my house, things that I wanted to do around my house. And since I'm so headstrong on that right now, I think it's going to remain the same. I'm going to leave this up front because we're not done with this. This back, this back. And that's that for the most basic savings challenge, y'all. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, did you put any extra money in your cash envelopes to offset the fact that we have a bit of a longer month this month? Sometimes it could be and couldn't be depending on how you budget. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.